split around downtown areas. I don't think that's typical. Just happens. Just happens naturally. Check 2. Bro, what the heck is this? What is this? These guys are all parked under an overpass. What are we doing? What the flippity floppity are we doing? Like, actually, this is unbelievable. What is this? This is literally like 100 cars. And there's people on the other side of the highway, too. It gets worse? Oh, it better not get worse. Apparently, it's going to get worse. There's another camera. It can go in slot 3? Okay. Is this a different one? Bro. Oh my God.